It takes more than machines to make medicine. It takes proximity, precision, people. Artevet Therapeutics brings them all together in one purpose-built facility for modern veterinary care. The newest chapter in a 40-year legacy, this facility is part of the global Artevet network, serving countries across therapeutics, vaccines, and nutraceuticals. Set in Palgar, Artevet Therapeutics is a fully integrated plant designed for speed, scale, and consistency.
You have a pretty big audience globally. Why did you still choose India to be your manufacturing facility?
Let me tell you. India is known as the pharmacy to the world. So overall, you have developing nations where the access to protein-enriched food is increasing. The education for requirement of protein is increasing. Along with that, so is the consumption. So at Artevet, we manage the complete end-to-end supply chain. So from production all the way into marketing and delivering to the end customer, to farmers or consumers around the world. And affordability, because we're able to source a lot of our raw materials within driving distance. So material can be here as quick as 48 hours, allowing us to manufacture and ship it back out globally.
2 blocks power our production here, one for general therapeutics and one dedicated to beta-lactam formulations. Inside, every step is carefully managed. Weighing, blending, compressing, coating, filling, and packaging. Every dose undergoes in-process checks and is backed by rigorous QA and QC systems. The facility is WHO GMP certified, FDA approved, and audit ready for regulated markets across the world. Whether it's contract manufacturing, white label production, or global partnerships, we're built for scale, and we've designed for what lies ahead. From solar-powered infrastructure to zero-discharge effluent treatment and precision air handling systems, we're committed to clean, compliant, and responsible production.
So at Artevet, this isn't a one-man show, it's a group effort. We're close to 75 of us as on date. It's not a one-man mission, but it's a shared vision that we embody all the way from top to bottom. And together we would like to make Artevet an enterprise it is today and more.
It's a growing network spread across 60 countries, united by one belief that animals deserve the same quality of care we expect for ourselves. That's Artevet Therapeutics for you. Built in India, trusted worldwide.